Welcome to Wellbeing Wednesday. I hope you had a lovely Easter. We were so lucky with the weather where we were. We had stunning sunshine and just very little rain other than at night. So today I'm giving you something that you can serve for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is coming up on the 14th of May. So I'm making coconut creamy garlic mushrooms, and they are absolutely divine. Often you'll find these in cafes on the menu for their breakfast. So in my pan here, I have just got I've cut up a clove of garlic, and I've finely chopped up some mushrooms. The reason why I'm making this dish is because I had some mushrooms in the fridge which needed eating, and I thought this is such a delicious recipe and great for, with Mother's Day coming up. My name is Nixon from Wick Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. If you want this recipe and you're not on my email list, then I put the link in the post above. Head to wickedwellbeing.com/new and join my email list, and I will send the recipe out in my next newsletter, well in time for Mother's Day. So, mushrooms have got a great nutritional profile, really full of flavour, quite an acquired taste. Although last night I did chicken and mushroom crepes, so we made the crepes. I did the mixture of onion and mushrooms first, and then I processed it in my Thermomix, of course, till it was smooth, and then I added the chicken. There is no way. Both my daughters, if they knew that mushrooms were in that dish, there's no way that they would have eaten them. So not necessarily a strong taste, but just really, really flavoursome. So as I said, I've got my garlic and mushrooms already sizzling away here. They are looking absolutely divine. They're starting to sweat. So now I'm going to add in, I've got some thyme and some parsley, but if you haven't got those, then just use any herbs that you've got in the garden. I totally just use what I've got. Very, very seasonal. Okay, here comes the coconut. So I'm using coconut milk. So if you just pour that in, and it just gives it this really, really creamy flavour. You can see the steam coming off it. A very, very simple dish. As I said, if you're not on my email list and you would like this recipe, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new, and I will send it out in my next newsletter. Now we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper to give it a little bit of flavour. And then how I'm going to really up the nutritional profile even more is I've got some just finely chopped up spinach here. So this is my lunch, and my mouth is watering. This is also you could put some chili in here. What I'm going to do to make sure that it's nutritionally balanced, so that I've got some protein, I've got my veggies, I'll serve it with avocado, so I've got my healthy fats. I'm also going to put some chicken in there. I've got some cooked chicken in the fridge, so that's my protein, and making sure that I've got a well-balanced meal. To give it a little bit of cheesy flavour, you could either add Parmesan cheese, but I'm using nutritional yeast flakes. And I'm just going to put a couple of tablespoons of those in, and just to give it, it really, really intensifies your flavour. Let me know if you haven't heard of nutritional yeast flakes before, or if that's, if you use them, what's your favourite way of using them? That is ready. It is so ready. I'll show you what it looks like. Yum! It smells absolutely incredible. I will serve it. You need quite a few mushrooms for it to, you can see that steam, because they wilted down to very little. But I will serve that, as I say, with chicken and on a piece of grainy toast, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is so perfect to share when you get my newsletter, share the recipe with your husband or your kids and say, this is what you want for Mother's Day, or make it for your mother if she is a mushroom lover. Not like mine. My mother would not be appreciative if I served this for Mother's Day. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you want the recipe and you're not already on my email list, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new. I've already also posted it at above, and I will look forward to hearing what you think. Have a fantastic rest of your day and the rest of your school holidays. Bye.